Well, there's nothing like the thrill of riding over a hill. 47 Hollies in front. These men are all your brothers, there ain't too many others, and it's good because you know everyone. These women's on the back, because boys are in the crack. Yankees steal a little speed and they're green. Riding into town with that thunder ringing sound. Can't catch them, but you'll hear where they've been. Highland riding in the rain, drinking piss out on the plains, living hard and wake up feeling like shit. Sucking in a ton of dust, fixing up the bits that bust. I'm only here because I love every bit. Like warriors of old, they stand together hard and bold. There's the tribesmen on their chargers of steel. Tattooed limbs and flowing hair, chrome and leather everywhere. Brotherhood and burning rubber's the deal. You love your brothers and your bike, and the women that you like, drinking spirits and a mountain of beer. Leather boots and faded jeans, and a road to ride that means where the people your mom learned you to fear. Highland riding in the rain, drinking piss out on the plains, living hard and wake up feeling like shit. Sucking in a ton of dust, fixing up the bits that bust. I'm only here because I love every bit. Highland riding in the rain, drinking piss out on the plains, living hard and wake up feeling like shit. Sucking in a ton of dust, fixing up the bits that bust. I'm only here because I love every bit. In the rain, drinking piss out on the plains, living hard and wake up feeling like shit. Sucking in a ton of dust, fixing up the bits that bust. I'm only here because I love every bit. Motorcycles through the west. Sometimes I'm dumb as dog shit, sometimes I'm smart as paint. Lights on don't mean you're better than the rest. Down the highways and the back roads with your bike, your swag and tools, and a heap of just motorcycle fools. It helps if you are crazy with a rubber burning lust and a bunch of half-mad brothers where the riders in the dust. I worked the farm my father owned back in the Cargo Hills. Farming sorta creeps into your blood. Me and my old silver girl going good as anything. Ain't nothing good as owning good old Aussie mud. I've dipped sheep for local cockies, sure their weather's marked their land. Through days so long you think you're gonna bust, but it's worth it when you hammer down the highway on a V-twin. Yes, I'm proud to be a rider in the dust. Down the highways and the back roads with your bike, your swagger too, and a heap of other madmen, just motorcycle fools. It helps if you are crazy with a rubber burning lust and a bunch of half-mad brothers where the riders in the dust. As kids we rode our ponies, helped the old man with the stock. Riding out they'd dog it, coming home they would not stop. Like me and Kelly we would ride, they'd sweat so bad you'd think they'd rust. And we'd dream of motorcycles, being riders in the dust. Down the highways and the back roads with your bike, your swag and tools, and a heap of other madmen, just motorcycle fools. It helps if you are crazy with a rubber burning lust and a bunch of half-mad brothers where the riders in the dust. Yeah. Well, here I am at 50, wearing long hair and a beard, riding bad boy motorcycles through the West. Sometimes I'm dumb as dog shit, sometimes I'm smart as paint. Lights on don't mean you're better than the rest. I got friends who done okay and some who can't afford a fee. I learned that being true to your brothers is a must. Sometimes I work my ass off, sometimes I don't do nothing, but I'm proud to be a rider in the dust. Down the highways and the back roads with your bike, your swag and tools, and a heap of other madmen, just motorcycle fools. It helps if you are crazy with a rubber burning lust and a bunch of half-mad brothers where the riders in the dust.